Oh yes, we got my just washing the car today. Continue, just recording. Don't worry about it. Just got back from Home Depot. Wash the car, buff it, wax it, really get into there, clean it very deep because these wheels were dirty. So I got some cleaner. Hopefully this thing works. But that was it. Taking a quick lunch break. It's only 10 minutes. And then after, I get back to work.
It's only been 3.
Alright. I got some wax or clay. And I'm about to check it out, test it out on the car, see how it does. A lot of people might say you don't need it, but nah, I feel like it needs it. This one time I got it washed professionally by someone. They did a really good job where the paint, it made the paint fucking pop. Like I feel like when we wash our cars, like it's just like bah. But this person made the paint, like you could see it pop, like it popped. It was before a show. And right now it just doesn't feel that way. It just feels like it's bland, it's not popping. So I'm trying to have the paint pop, So we'll see how it goes. Let's see. Grab some. I'm gonna try right here. Let's get our rag to have in my butt pocket. Let's wipe it off. Yeah. You can feel the smoothness compared. Yeah, you could definitely feel smoother compared to the fender or something. Like okay, so I guess I was misinformed a little bit. But like I guess the clay bar is to smoothen out the paint surface, take out like any stuff within the paint, like that's like I don't know.
Any like contaminants, like
yeah.
particles.
So I was misinformed, but it does feel smooth. But I was on the right path. You do got to do this part in order to get.
Definitely before you polish.
Yeah, before you polish, so you don't like rubbing shit throughout your car. So we're going good. So right now we're still going on with the clay, but it's definitely coming out way smoother. You can feel the smoothness in the paint. And also like, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the paint kind of like shines a little more in a way. But it's coming out good so far. So it is a lot of work, but getting it done. No. So we got done right now clay barring it all. It does actually look a little nicer. We still need to do the wheels, but it does look nicer. Like I don't know, that tape bar still does make a difference, but we're gonna add some of this later on. Just cause what was I gonna say? Oh, later at night, cause it's better to do it in a cool, dry, you know, shade surface or whatnot, cause you gotta let it dry on there and then we'll take it off. So we're gonna do that later at night. For now, I'm gonna do the interior. So, all right, I'm gonna use this interior chemicals, interior and exterior. Oh, this one's interior and exterior shine protectant dressing, but I'm gonna use this one for the inside on here on the dashboard and anywhere else. And then I got some leather cleaner that I'm gonna use for the sides and the seats and stuff like that.
Seats?
Yeah, please. This is a very familiar sight. Most of you should know of this. Yep, there you go. So that's the secret ingredient right there. Oh shit, I got into this crevice. Fuck. Alright, oh well. I feel like the vacuum is not as strong as the bigger one. This is a smaller one, but, or it's just because of that end. I'm gonna do a little bit, but not too much. For now, I'm gonna add some of the.
Did you want the bigger one?
The leather? Where's the leather? For the seats, I'm gonna add some of this leather cleaner. It's all chemical, guys. Honestly, this is not all my stuff. Chemical, guys. This. I don't know.
The other one? Oh, the Voodoo.
The Voodoo.
They have better products, but this is free, so.
So yeah, so it's alright. But I mean, in all honesty, like they're pretty good. They're actually working pretty well, more than I thought. But that's cool. So we're gonna try this one now, see how it goes, and then after that we're gonna do McGuire's. I'm cleaning these seats. I'm starting to see that these are coming down to its time. They're coming down to an end. So you know what that means, baby. Might get seats. Well, we are gonna get seats. Next one. Next project. Woo! Damn. Looking brand new. Smells like a brand new car. Smell it. No, I'm just kidding. We need to add some odor.
Right here, this dress relief.
Huh? Oh yeah, that's
Dress relief by Bath and Body Works, and I also have mahogany. Love that musty smell.
But other than that, the car's looking clean. I'm gonna add some. Well, I'm gonna do the wheels right now, and then I'm gonna add tire shine. But all right, so I washed up the floor mats. They're over there. And I'm just gonna draw out the tire shine, and then I think that'll be it. Oh, and then the windows. But then I think that'll be it. Alright, so I just look at my wheels and it's like really depressing. I really gotta get them done. Tire shine. What the hell's going on?
Do you want me to get you the tire shine in the garage?
No. Whoa. So that other one wasn't working, so I'm just gonna do this tire wet one. Black Magic. Yeah, see how it goes. I've never done this one. I was cleaning the car and I just noticed these little spots right here. Those little spots, they tend to get on the car everywhere. I'm just like, what the fuck is that? You barely see any birds flying around. I was thinking it's bird shit, but you barely see any birds flying around. Like, you don't see no fucking birds anywhere. And then someone said that it could be pollen, right?
Yeah.
But that shit don't look like pollen. That looks like shit. What the fuck? And it is done. Oh wait, the headlights. No, it's not done. It never fucking ends. Fuck. Now we're really done. There you go. The cleaner, you see that? I know you guys just saw it in the last shot, but now clean, we're done. we're done. I think might do a little touch-up stuff here and there, but overall it's done. So looks good. Now we do gotta do the 3-in-1 wax thing. So actually we're not done, but we're done for right now.